Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting to the right place. Open the app or website where your watch history lives and sign into the account you use. Once signed in, navigate directly to Settings or History. Do not browse menus aimlessly. Make sure you have any secondary accounts available. Sometimes content is tied to a profile. If prompted, confirm device permissions so you can see and delete items. Now you're ready to remove entries or to disable history tracking entirely. Now take action. Use the Clear History or Remove Individual Entries option. Choose Bulk Delete if you want a full reset. If you prefer no future records, toggle Pause Watch History or turn off Watch History. Understand that pausing prevents recommendations from updating. Once done, check connected services and profiles because each linked account may keep its own log. Finally, sign out and sign in to confirm changes propagated. Otherwise, some device. Finish by verifying. Play a short, innocuous video and confirm it does not add to history. If you still see entries, clear the app cache or browser cookies, then restart the app or device. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure all devices use the same account and that background sync is allowed. If changes still fail to apply, deauthorize and reauthorize the device or contact support. A mislinked account or delayed server sync is often the cause, and Ryuth usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.